Hello everyone. In modern VLSI design, verifying a circuit is just as important as designing it. A small bug in hardware can cost millions. So how do engineers ensure that a digital design works correctly before fabrication? The answer lies in system Verilog test benches. We will explore the key components of a system Verilog test bench and understand how they work together to verify a design effectively. At the top, we have the test, which is responsible for configuring the test bench, initiate the test bench components construction process, and the stimulus driving. Next, we have the environment, which is a container class for grouping the higher level components like agent and the scoreboard. Next, we have the agent, which is also a container class that groups the class generator, driver, and monitor specific to an interface. The generator generates a stimulus and send it to driver in the form of the transaction. So transaction defines the pin level activity generated by the agent to drive to the design under the test through the driver. The driver receives the stimulus from the generator and drives the packet level data inside the transaction into the pin level to the design under the test. The monitor observes the pin level activity on the interface signals and converts into packet level, which is sent to the scoreboard. Scoreboard receives the data item from the monitor and compares them with the expected values. The expected values can be either golden reference values or generated from the reference model. To summarize, a system Verilog test bench consists of several key components like the generator, driver, monitor, scoreboard, environment, and the top test bench module. Together, these components create a powerful verification framework that ensures the design functions correctly before hardware implementation. Thank you for watching.